Hello guys, welcome back to the series of trying to make our first payout from Forex. And this is episode 4, and I'm just going to quickly go through the trades I took this week, and I'll show you how my performance was and how I plan to actually pass my accounts. Of course, if you have been following up, you will know that we have passed phase 1. We used 2 weeks to pass our first 10k account, and we are currently in phase 2. Last week was the third week, that is episode 3. Last week was the third week, and we had a loss of 1%. But this week we were able to come back and we took the account pretty much back to break even. So I'll quickly go into the chart and I'll show you exactly how everything happened this week. So this is my chart, and I'll go to the close position where I'll just go through all the trades I took. If you follow the last video, you know that our last trade for last week was this $25 here, and then it started this week bad. On Monday, I guess this was Monday, I had a loss of $140, which is not usual because I got slipped out on this trade. There was a news that came out for the Canadian dollar where I was slipped out, and it was very painful. So let me just quickly show you what exactly happened here. And I also love this trade locker platform because of how it is. So I was willing to take a trade from this demand zone here. I was willing to take a trade from this zone here, but as you can see, I got stopped out and there was massive slippage during that period. If I was to draw the parameters, it will look something like this, targeting around the highs here. But I ended up losing this trade and I also got slipped out, so it was very painful, but it happens. And I was feeling bad, but I just decided that it happens in trade. Not everything goes exactly how you planned. So this current trade was a mistake and this was the correct trade. So I took this trade and I was able to make $241, which was more than $140 I lost, plus the $100 from last week I lost, which got my account back to break even. And then I had 2 other break-even trades. Let me quickly show you the trades on NZD-JPY that I used to actually get my account back to break even. So this was the trade from NZD-JPY here. This was the trade here. I took a sell from this zone here. I took a sell from this point here. Stop loss above the highs, and I was able to make about 2.4 R on this trade. I was able to make about 2 points. It was actually 2.6 R, but I got massive swap fee. That's what made it 2.4 R. So this was how the trade looked like, exactly like this. And price went on to even move further, but I was satisfied with what I got, and I was happy to take my account back to break even, which is actually nice. So the account is back to break even. After this trade, I had two other trades that didn't really play out as I planned. I wanted to buy AUD-JPY and Euro-JPY, which didn't work out because price just kept on hovering around this zone I bought from, and towards the end of the week on Friday, I decided to close at break even and wait for a new week. So this is just pretty much how my trading went this week. I decided that I just want to update you guys, so it's not like as if I'm just trading and I'm not giving you guys updates. So I really wanted to update you guys so that the series continues and everyone just keeps getting the updates. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I recommend you subscribe because we are growing and it's going to help the channel, help the algorithm. So just join the family. hit the subscribe button, like the video. I really appreciate. And yeah, let me quickly show you the trades on the trade on trading view platform, and from there I'm going to show you my dashboard. So let me just quickly do that. So guys, this was the first trade of the week, which was a loss. I got slipped out here, and it was just so massive. I don't even understand, but I was meant to lose $100 on this trade. I ended up losing $140, which is crazy. But this was the trade. Price came into this order block here. I wanted to buy from here because I love how there was a fair value gap here with this order block, and it was more of a break of structure here. As you can see, there's a clear break of structure here. If I can draw this, there's a break of structure right here, and fair value gap right here. So there's a lot of confluences with this order block, but I ended up losing the trade. This is what it is. Not all trades are going to be profitable. Sometimes you see your whole confluences and the trade is not still going to be profitable. So this is it. And the trade that helped me get back on track was NZEJPY, which I was so happy about. This trade ended up having massive move, but I was able to capitalize 1.6R. Price broke, had liquidity, yes, swept liquidity. I entered after the liquidity sweep, and this was how the trade played out. I might have closed a bit too early, but anything above 2R, I take it as a positive RR. So I really love the setup, and usually my RR is usually 2.5R. So why will I be complaining? And then these are the two trades I took, which I ended up closing at break even because price is just hovering. And mind you, this is the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. So just imagine how long I'm holding this trade. And close to Friday, I decided that I should just close and call it a week. So this was the trade on Euro JPY, and this was also the trade on EUD JPY. This was it. So pretty much the same thing, not really moving. But I also like the setup, and we'll see how next week open. And one thing I also used to try to avoid those big gaps that happen during the weekend. You can see price will just open around here and you'll be in deep drawdown. In fact, you just lose, or you'll be slipped out. So I'm trying to avoid something like that, especially these days since the election of Donald Trump. Everything has been crazy. So and let me just quickly show you my dashboard. On my 10K account. So this is the dashboard. You can see the balance here, $10,021. That's just pretty much break even. And I'll show you the equity curve. At one point we are floating $10,200, as you can see here, floating $10,200 here, but price reversed, and yeah, I had to close at break even. And these are the trade history. It's the same account. Look at it, 240, 140 loss here, and this is pretty much the same account. So this is how the account looks like, and we'll see if we can pass this account, if we can get the required $478 left to pass this account. If you can get that this week, that would be a very good boost. And yeah, we'll pass the account and we'll get to the funded stage, whereby I'll reduce my risk to 0.5% and try to get our first payout. Then we'll see how we can upgrade the challenge. Let's say try to get 10K payout, 20K payout from there. So if this is something you love, stick around, like, subscribe, and we're going to do a lot of great things. And check out the links below. I dropped multiple links below. You can follow me up on IG or social media. You can join my Telegram, where I drop most of my trade, about 7% of my trades. And you can also get an account with the affiliate link there. I have an equity edge affiliate link. Their challenges are cheap, so it's something that you can just invest in. And also, they pay their traders. I've seen multiple payouts, so I feel like as if it's something that I can just put my money into and see how everything is. And so far, I love their condition. Like they're not stressing me. I love the platform, Trade Locker. I love everything. The spread are very small. Everything is just nice in that platform. So I really recommend it for everybody. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. And yeah, peace out.